All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Tanira Grimes. Case number SP 1004469, count 1. Also, SP 1104221. SP 98623, counts 1, 2, and 3. And 1950228, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, P36136, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
I just don't quite understand how you can just accumulate so many of these tickets and not take care of them.
I'm sorry, the phone breaking up. What did you say?
I said, I don't understand how you just accumulate so many tickets and not take care of them.
I did pay off my warrants back in 2018. And I was supposed to be arranging a payment plan. However, I had a certain situation going on to where I lost my job. And then when the pandemic hit, I really fell behind with a lot of things. So now I'm just slowly picking myself back up with catching up on my bills and my kids and everything. So now I'm trying to take care of everything I'm supposed to take care of.
All right.
Brother, what's your last name?
Grimes.
Thank you.
Can you come up with $405, ma'am?
Yes.
$405 would do this for you. It would get you, do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
I think I have 2 in Dearborn, and I got court with them April 6th.
$405 would get you clearances down here. I'm gonna miss Perkins Moore. I don't have an offer here. The city attorney hasn't showed up yet.
Okay.
He's having car difficulty. I allow your client to pay the reinstatement fees up front. That way, she can get clearances down here on these tickets that are in the civil infractions that are in default. I'm going to waive the late and reinstatement fee for each one of these.
Okay.
So that and then you got to start making a payment plan on these. Well, I'm gonna start by putting. Now I can give her a trial date if she wants, or she can wait on an offer for this stuff, or I can set a trial date, and hopefully she can come back here with a driver's license, and we deal with the tickets on that day.
Miss Grimes, I'm sorry. Go ahead, Herman.
Find out what your client wants to do.
Can you get the baby? I can't hear you. Is that the baby?
Yeah, that's my baby. Yeah.
All right. What I would prefer that you do as your attorney is go ahead and pay the reinstatement fees and try to get your driver's license, and then come back for another date here to try to get all the rest of these matters cleared up.
Okay. How much is the reinstatement fee?
Were you listening to the judge? Didn't he just say $450?
Okay, $450 for the reinstatement fee. I'm trying to understand it. So if I pay the $450 for a reinstatement fee, that will clear, I could go to the Secretary of State and get my license back?
Correct.
Once you clear up those
And your other
matters,
tickets.
but the 36th District Court won't be holding you up.
Okay, and when do I have to pay that $450?
As soon as you can. You said you had it.
Yeah, do I pay online or I have to come to the,
You gotta come down to the court and do it because this is something special I'm doing for you. So you can get a license. Now, these other tickets are still gonna be open and we're gonna have to do something about them. But at least you'll be able to get a driver's license if you take care of what you need to take care of.
okay, yeah, I could pay the $450. And is there a charge at the Secretary of State as well for a reinstatement fee?
I don't know. I don't know about that.
Okay, yeah, I could pay the
But you're probably
$450.
gonna have to go, you're probably gonna have to go to Dearborn and take care of them as well first too, before you go to Secretary of State, but that's gonna be, or any other jurisdiction that you have tickets in, you're probably gonna do that, but you're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fee anyway, so you may as well pay it now. I'm waiving the late and reinstatement fee on all of these tickets that you have.
Okay,
I'll set aside the default on the ones that happened during the pandemic.
okay, yeah, I could do that. And
Now the only other question is, do you want a trial date or not? Or a pretrial date, Ms. Perkins Moore?
I wanted to have a pre-trial date.
All right. Pretrial date is gonna be May 17th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. I also will put a pay by date for those civil infractions. You can start paying on these civil infractions as well, but I would put my first $405 towards reinstatement fees. And let the counter know when you come down here that I allowed you to pay them up front, right? Make sure they know that. Come on.
okay, I could come down there today.
All right, so you got big time money then.
No.
Let's go May the 17th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. It's gonna be your next court date, all right?
Okay,
Is there anything further?
I'm sorry, you said what?
Anything further?
Nope, I got it May 17th at 8:30.
Pay reinstatement fees up front, so you can do that. You can come down here today, once we get all this stuff in the system. And then that should get you clearances here. And then you can go get a driver's license. Until then, go get a driver's license and come back and with a license, and that may help you with what the offer of the city attorney will have for you. It potentially will, but at very least, you're gonna have a license.
Okay,
Hopefully. All right, if there's nothing
Okay.
further, have a great day, man.
okay, you too, thank you.
All right. Counselor, good morning to you.
Morning.
How are you?
Oh. Weren't you here yesterday?
It's Perkins more. I was.
Right, in another court, right? How are you?
God bless Zoom. You could be in multiple places at multiple times.
I see that.
How can I help you, Counselor?
Judge, I think I have a ticket up this morning for a Lillian Bar, failure to yield.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't have that ticket in front of me right now, so I don't know who the officer is, but let me see if I can find it.
BAGI. Biden.
DAGI is the office name.
Yeah, but let me double check. I've never heard of that. Yeah, Brandon, BAGI, Biden. We have an offer. We've been to, they didn't check. Oh, blockade.
I guess it says amend the blockading traffic.
I can live with that. I have no problem with that.
Just make sure that's the only ticket, yes. Okay, that's the only ticket.
Judge, are we going to put Miss Barr on the record, or do you want me to just
Yes.
inform her to pay? Okay, great. Sorry.
This is the City of Detroit versus Lillian Elizabeth Barr, case number SP 124-14051. Appearance for a record, please.
Your Honor, good morning to you and your staff. Vincent Haysha on behalf of Miss Barr, P76506.
Okay, the offer is leading to the amended count of blocking traffic. Will your client stipulate, first of all, your client isn't here.
That's correct, Judge. Ask the court to waive her presence for purpose of this hearing. I do have
All right.
agency and authority to move forward.
And will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis? For the
I would so
response?
stipulate, Your Honor.
And
Yes, Your Honor.
stipulate the probable cause for the stop.
Stipulate probable cause for the stop, Your Honor.
All right, very well. I'm gonna enter amended count of blocking traffic, $175 for your client. When can she pay?
She could probably pay it right away, but can I have 2 weeks just for a quick buffer?
March the 29th.
Excellent. Could I have that case number one more time, please?
SP 124-14051.
Perfect.
All right,
Excellent, Your Honor. 175, 2 weeks due by March 29th.
Tell her if she hasn't paid it by then, we need to see her that morning on 8/25 on March 29th, all right?
Absolutely. We'll make sure that's done. If that is done, no need to appear, correct?
Correct.
Have a great week. Thanks, Judge. And thanks, Ms. Perkins Moore.
See you later.
Take care.
Judge, I have at 8:25, it's Ryan Gantz. That guy, he's been retained by me. We didn't know he had a hearing date, but everything else is scheduled for March 25th. And I wanted to know if we can move everything over to April the 1st, because I'm sure he's not going to be here today because I didn't make him aware because I wasn't aware.
Well, the day is just reviewed for that one case, SP 103-15352, that he still hasn't paid. All right.
Oh, can we grab?
It's a review. Did you give me that?
Did I give it to you?
No,
already?
you didn't.
No, because he's got other matters.
All right.
Yeah, he's got a lot of other matters, so.
So
And I believe I got the printout and they're scheduled for the 25th, but that's a bad day for me, so I wanted to know if I can move everything over to the 1st of April.
City of Detroit versus Ryan Gregory Gantz, case numbers SP 103-15352, SP 103-15361, SP 103-594712 and 3, Z 8080851, 217-24879, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 103-15351. SP 103-60881, 18-3303-7, strike that, 18-3303-75, counts 1 and counts 3, appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, P36136, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gantz, Your Honor.
All right. And you want another pretrial date?
Yes, Your Honor. I prefer if everything could be moved until April the 1st or anytime after the 25th.
April the 1st is a Friday. You want,
Oh,
do you need more time? I mean, tell me.
yeah, he needs more time. That's what's,
Let's have him
Monday,
back on
April
May-
4th.
Let's have him back on May the 17th.
Oh, that's fine, Your Honor. Okay, May 17th. Thank you.
Corporal Hampton, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Corporal.
Good morning.
You have a formal hearing. What do you have?
I have Rashad Khalafi, Littleton, Schaefer.
Oh, Littleton.
Oh, formal hearing. All right, we're gonna give him some time to show up. I'll mark the file that you came in. If you need to go to another court, we'll allow you to do that.
Okay, Your Honor, I'll be back.
All right, have a look. I'll see you soon. Good afternoon. Good morning, Officer Avion.
Morning, sir.
Who do you have?
I'm sorry.
Where are you here on?
I'm here on Mr. Green Posey for allowing driving with no license.
Green Posey. I don't see him on the docket today. Got Herman Green.
Really? It says here.
I see 3-6 16 for tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Is it Linnell?
Oh, yes. Am I in the wrong Zoom?
No, you
no,
just
you're
the
in
wrong
the
day. Tomorrow.
Oh, for tomorrow. Oh, my sergeant told me it was today. I apologize.
Tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Okay. All right. I apologize. You guys have a good one.
Okay, see.
Get them out of here quick.
Yeah, we figured it out today.
I can't hear you. Yeah, he never did. He took, I guess he did some rims on his car for awful.
I can believe that. I've dodged like several big ones. Look like I could have fit my car inside
Yeah,
one.
the one on 7 Mile that was so few, and then I see it patched it up.
Catched it though. You know who got the best road? Ohio. I think they got toll bridges out there, I think.
As soon as you go to the
You
cross
know
that
that.
line right
You know.
there.
I was about to say that. My daughter and I had that same conversation yesterday.
But the problem with the tolls here, these companies aren't allow them to have tolls here because they've got so many trucks over.
Trust this road is good, Doro. So I agree. I agree. With 94, you can't go around. You
But I
can't go
don't
to
know,
the side.
somebody, Dawson's had more flat tires than anybody I know.
No, not more than me.
Oh, yes, he has.
No.
He's had about 4 of them.
No,
Since I've been here.
Must be speed.
no, I'm the queen of flat tires. I promise that. Every week, I'm gonna get some.
You guys know probably like it's Mario Kart or something. Every time I see like
I'm stepping away a couple minutes, grab a cup of coffee.
And you can see the car
Alright.
ahead of you kind of swerve, and then
Yeah, too.
as soon as you get to a boom.
Yeah, it's more if I see him, jump. I just
And
know
now
to
you
slow
can, you know
down
what
a
else you
little
gotta
bit.
do? You gotta memorize the road. Like, okay, I
Yep.
can't go on this side. I gotta stay in the middle until I get past this street. And then go on, it's crazy.
Yeah, I got mad at my sister one time. She said follow her, but she failed to tell me, but she was crater.
Crater, that's it. That's the word,
On the
crater.
street there, kind of almost took my tire
Yeah,
out.
All right, Mr. Gray. Good morning to you.
that
We're
Jamie,
gonna,
Jamie
Jamie Gray. We're gonna give the officers some time to show up, half-hour grace period.
you have plenty of things.
And if they don't show up, we'll call your case. If they do show up, we'll get them in the.
Does he have a license?
Did you have a driver's license, sir?
Supposed to have paid the reinstatement fees up front.
No,
No. Did you pay the reinstatement fees up front?
they said I had to pay something somewhere else, and then they said I had to go back to court. They said I had to.
No. No.
They always get that wrong.
Did you come down here to the court and ask them to pay the reinstatement fees up front?
I had to. They said I had to go to I had to go to East Point to pay
Who's they?
something.
Who is they?
I went up when I went to Secretary of State.
No, I asked you, did you come? I told you last time you were here to come down here and pay the reinstatement fees. See if you paid it. I'm thinking he didn't.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Nope. Yeah, they still out here, yeah.
No, I told you when last time we talked, come down here and pay the reinstatement fee up front. Don't go to the Secretary of State.
Yeah.
And then you could have got clearances. You still wouldn't have been able to get a driver's license until you took care of wherever else they told you had to go. But you get, I'm allowing you to pay that those $45 fees up front so you can get clear. You'll still have the cases open, but at least you'll have a driver's license in the meantime. But it's nevertheless, we're gonna get some resolution to these cases today.
Or 8:30 or so.
So just sit tight.
Oh, wait, hold on. We already did that one, didn't we?
What's that? Who's that?
This is for. No, that's a different person. Okay, so what is the? He probably asked for, somebody asked for a formal hearing for the judge then, if that's the case, why would it be on our document?
All right, the offer here, Ms. Perkins Moore,
It's a formal hearing today. You're gonna-
is pleading to 1, 2, 3, 4 misdemeanors. That's 400, that's $240 a piece. And one civil infraction of obstructive vision,
Let me see what your notes
which
say.
would be, I don't see obstructive vision on here. Let's see. Oh, obstructive vision. Oh, that's a 2-point offense too.
It was removed on two.
And that's $120. Waive the warrant fees. You'll have to pay the reinstatement fees anyway. So that's the offer.
You're the
Pleading
attorney,
to
right?
one count of amended count of failure to display, 240 misdemeanor, abstractable to the Secretary of State, which is probably going to generate another 30-day suspension on top of the suspension he already has. And then pleading to 3 counts of improper plates. I'll dismiss those improper plates. That's a misdemeanor. It does not abstract, no points. And I'll dismiss those upon payment of $240 each. So that's 3 $240 payments. So that's 4 $240 payments. Then the obstructed vision is a $120 payment with two points on his license. That's what the city attorney is willing to offer him now. Obviously, he's gonna wait and see if he can do better, I'm sure. I can put you in a breakout room though to speak with him right now, so you guys can talk and
That's fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right.
Is there a final judge for Littleton?
Littleton is the one that we have the formal hearing on.
Yeah, that's up there, right?
Hampton, yeah, I got it.
Can I see it for 1 second? The
Yeah.
attorney's on the line. He said his client pled to at pre-hearing.
Oh,
I was like, no, I don't think so, because where we at? No.
join the room, Mr. Gray, and talk to the lawyer.
Sorry.
Okay.
No notes in the file. Okay.
I'll look it up. Does it say what he pre-hearing?
Yes. Okay, all right, right. He said he pled, but if he did, he
What
said
did
he was
plead
planning to blockade.
Let's not scroll down, let's see.
No, it's nothing. Nothing. They removed it. They said it's almost like he didn't appear, because it says removed from the calendar on 2/4. As if he never showed up, and they scheduled it for the forum. He said he was right next to his client when they pled to blockade.
Yeah, I'm sure Goss is gonna be offering that. Look at what Goss is offering.
I saw that.
With the pre-hearing,
I
they
saw
give a
that.
better deal.
I'm speeding. He gonna leave it as it is.
Sure.
Oh, yes, crazy.
All right, here he is, here.
Yeah. And I already told the officer it's here. Yeah, first, what happened?
So the thing is, go to the pre-hearing, you're gonna get a better deal than there
Always.
from God, and then Goss.
Always. That's why they scheduled 3 hearings. Just the officer and you, that's it. Who we have here?
Herman Green,
Oh, I did see his name.
he doesn't, he's just got the one count.
Anything else? So that's wrong.
No, I don't think so. He doesn't.
Oh, he's got trial.
Yeah.
He's got some old tickets. Look like.
Does he?
Let me just run up a new one. Let's see what it is. Yeah, maybe it's- yeah, that's it then. Put the new one here. Mhm.
Mr. Green, you're gonna have to pull your car over.
That's what I'm doing, sir. That's what I'm doing.
Call back in once you get pulled over, all right?
I'm pulled over now, sir.
It's gonna take, it's probably gonna be a minute. We're gonna, give the officer a half-hour grace period. That time started at 9 o'clock. So that officer's got 23, 24 minutes to show up. If the officer shows up, then we'll put them in a room and talk and try to work it out. If the officer doesn't show up, then we'll call the case and get you out of here. And if the officer does show up and it can't be worked out, then we'll prepare for a trial. All right?
Okay, sir.
I tell like that weather like yesterday.
It's coming more, it's getting better.
Wasn't it nice? What they doing over there near Frank Murphy? Anybody know? You know they've been working on it for the past, what, 5 years? Yeah, they tore it down and they're building it back up. I think what I'll do, I'll ask for those construction guy. But that one, he real familiar, he'd be like, hi. Every morning.
I'm about to say,
I'm not used to people speaking to me, you know, all through me like this.
I want to say, no, you can't be in jail.
Isn't that Dan Gilbert stuff over there?
A counselor. Ajaji,
Good morning, Your Honor.
yeah, good morning. I don't know, you might want to go back to pre-hearing to get a deal, because the offer in the file here is leading to the limited access 6 to 10.
Yeah, the only issue I have is that Littleton already pled responsible to blockading traffic. I was I was there during that, and it should have been closed on that day. We never asked for a formal hearing.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah, they don't report theirs.
Does the court keep any record during informals, or is it all off record?
That,
Not for pre-hearing.
I'm told not for pre-hearing, so
Okay. There definitely is a court error. I was in presence. I was sitting right next to him.
did he pay the money?
Nope, he was told to wait, and he had 30 days from that day to pay the money.
Well, I don't know what happened then, so.
Let me, he said, I'm gonna see who worked there. Let me, they got their notes up.
Officer Campbell,
Let's see.
Sir.
all right, I have Mr. Jamie Gray, he's speaking with the lawyer now, so I got you checked in.
Okay.
We don't have a city attorney yet, so we're waiting on the city attorney to come in. Once the city attorney comes in, I'll put you in a breakout room. You can discuss the case with the city attorney.
Okay, no problem.
We do have one officer for Gray show up, Mr. Campbell. So I'm gonna rely on you all to watch the clock. If they're not here by, and Mr. Green is here for a trial as well. If they're not here by 9:30, then we're gonna close the door on.
And that's what I explained to Mr. Gray. And if the officer doesn't show up, then that one, the obstruction would be dismissed. He would avoid the 2 points, and he would take the offer on the other matters that the court presented. And I told him that we have to wait and see if the officer.
If the only offers that he won't have to take any other officers. If the only thing we have now is with this Officer Campbell here. How many tickets do you have, Officer Campbell?
I believe it was 3.
Okay.
All right, so we're not gonna proceed on ROAs. We're gonna have to have the actual ticket in here. And then we're not gonna proceed if the officers don't show up by 9:30.
Okay, you understand that, Mr. Gray?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a recess. I'll put you close.
Or if you can answer this one, okay. Do you know where they take the pre-hearing paperwork? The 248. Because the clerk wouldn't have it, would she? Okay, got it. Okay. Okay, thanks. I appreciate it. Okay. Yeah, I got it. I was just trying to find it. Takes a look. You remember what ticket it was on? No. What case was it for? So I can just double check. So they probably already deleted the court date once you pay it. Once you pay it and they close it, the court date no longer exists. So what ticket was it on? So I can double check. You remember? Blockaded? Yeah, give me that one. Mhm. Oh, yeah, that's cool. They don't need that. Yeah, I'll explain it to you. Just give me a second. Okay, so you had a review. Yeah, we just gave you another, like a date to see if you could pay it before. Let's see. Yeah, you're fine. That court date was removed. You paid that $90 and they closed the case out for you. So you can disregard that notice, right? We just wanted to make sure, you paid it. That's why that show cause date was out there to give you more time to pay it. Because we don't want you to, go into default or whatever. So we always try to give you either another review date or a show cause date, just to say, hey, why didn't you pay it? Do you need more time? Just to alert us, to keep it on our calendar that we need to find out why you haven't paid it and to make sure your suspensions and, lates don't go out. But you're set, everything's paid and closed, sir. You don't have anything owed to the court. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week, okay? Another satisfied customer. We don't get them very often. No, we get them a lot.
All right, anybody show up?
Mr. Oliver? He needs to be checked in. Oh, unless he's here. For the, I wonder if that's the deal. Mr. Oliver? Hi, good morning. Can you tell me your first name?
Samuel.
How you doing?
What's going on?
I'm all right.
You just know, Judge. I should have asked you.
Well, I didn't know him, man. How much problems he done gave me on since I've been here.
Goodness. You know faces. Huh? Oh, what's going on? Did we waive all this reinstated?
What do you need, Mr. Oliver?
Oh, Samuel Oliver.
Yeah, what do you need? What's going on?
I'm here for a ticket.
Another ticket?
Yeah, I got a ticket back in I want to say August, September. I was driving.
Those tickets.
He took care of it. He only got 2 reinstatement fees. Are we supposed to waive them?
Waive the reinstatement fees for him. He did the community service.
Okay.
I don't
Well,
see it.
since we're here for this ticket right here, I want to let you know that I got the plate for the car, the insurance and everything for it. Since we're here for it.
You have a ticket number?
Hold on. Let me look at this phone right quick. I got it. Hold on.
You don't have anything down here, Mr. Oliver.
Well, I got a ticket right here with your name
All right.
on it and the date on there. Telling me to come in today, so I'm just doing it. All right, one moment. I got it in this text message right here. That's where the card is. I do the card up. Hold on. Okay, let me blow it up.
Just read the ticket number off to me.
SP1 2325741.
That's closed.
It's closed.
Oh, okay then, sir.
All right, I told you we're gonna waive those 2 reinstatement fees. You should be able to get do you have a driver's license?
Not yet. I'm working on it.
You should be able to get clearances once out of here, once we waive these 2 reinstatement fees. Are you a registered voter?
Yes, I am.
All right, well, you're all clear down here.
Oh, now I'll be back to you, sir. I did a little fumble. I'll be back to you.
All right.
All right.
Is it traffic related?
Yes, it is. And all the cars got insurance on it and up to date.
Those are new tickets?
Yeah, February, sir.
All right, well, go get a driver's license right now. Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
No, I don't.
All right, so in 48 to 72 hours, these clearances are gonna shoot over to the Secretary of State. Go there at the end of this week and see what they say about you getting a driver's license.
All right, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.
Good to see Mr. Oliver back in here, Your Honor.
Yeah, but not necessarily for more tickets.
I mean,
but
not for more tickets, but the disposition is good to see.
it's a lot different, isn't it?
Much different.
Yeah, that's.
Oh, my goodness. Yeah, like night and day.
Yeah. Yeah, it is good to see that. All right, let's go ahead and get rid of some of these cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Herman Green, case number U599082121. Appearance for the record, please.
You're on mute, Miss Perkins Moore.
I'm sorry, Linda Perkins Moore, P 36136, appearing on behalf of Mr. Green.
Mr. Green dodged him a bullet today.
I guess I
all
did,
right.
sir.
All right. Go ahead, Ms. Perkins Moore.
Your Honor, the matter is scheduled today for trial. It's my understanding that the officers failed to appear. And we ask that we make a motion to dismiss. Oh, definitely dodging a bullet.
Yes, all right. This is today is the date set for a trial. Trial is set for 9 a.m. I give the officers half-hour grace period. It's now 9:35, and I don't have an Officer Moore, and that's 3235. Hearing no response, we're going to dismiss the case. No officer. All right. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day.
Would I receive that document, sir?
No, you can go online and you can print it out yourself. You go on to 36 District Court.org. You're able to print that out yourself. Give my Ms. Nash a few minutes to input that into the system correctly.
Okay,
right.
it'll be under what, documents or something?
Your name.
What do we,
You'll be able to type in your name. Where do you go to services, look up case, and then you'll type in your name, and you'll see the U ticket is a U ticket. So
right, I have the card here. I have the card
okay,
here.
so that just look up that case number, or you could probably type in the case number, and you'll be able to. We're about to input that in the system now. You'll be able to print out that ROA or look at that ROA and see that it's closed out, dismissed.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Be safe.
You too.
Mr. Officer Corporal Hampton,
Yes, Your Honor.
I have counselor in here for Littleton, and he indicated that this was taken care of at the pre-hearing, but we don't see that in the system. Unfortunately for his client, they give better deals at the pre-hearing than they do at the court date. So I don't know. I know that Mr. Goss likes to speak to you guys before there's an offer made. I'm going to see where he is. And that's for the ticket that you're here for.
Okay.
let's call Jamie Gray's case. We can get rid of some of these right now. This is the city of Detroit versus Jamie DeWan and Gray, case numbers SP 1005230, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1204828, counts 1 and 2. SX 109506661. 13465864. 13510577. 14477199. 16332231, counts 1 and 2. 14477197, counts 1, 2, and 3. 14477198, and SP 12048283. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Linda Perkins Moore, P 36136, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gray.
And Officer Campbell, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
This is Officer Eric Campbell, Detroit Police.
All right. Now, for your tickets, I don't have a city attorney here. Are you in a position to go to trial on these, Officer Campbell?
By that, what do you mean, sir? Sorry.
I couldn't hear you. You broke up.
Said, what do you mean by that, sir? I'm having trouble hearing as well.
Are you ready to? If Mr. Campbell wants a trial, are you ready to present a case? Okay, I believe these tickets are relatively new. So, all right. First of all,
yeah, I'm not in the position.
You're breaking up pretty bad.
Yeah, I'm not in the current position to take it to trial. If there's no city attorney, then whatever you feel is best. If you want to get rid of the tickets, because yeah, it's totally up to you, Judge.
Well, I'm gonna just leave it up to the city attorney. I mean, he likes to speak with you, but if there's no, I mean, we're not gonna wait all day for this. You know, people got. So I'm texting them. We'll give them a few more minutes to respond. But you're the only one, and the reason why I asked you that particular question, because you're the only one that has showed up. I want to make sure that I'll say Officer Campbell appeared. I'll make sure I write that and notated that in the file, so you can make sure you get paid. Here's Mr. Philip X. Wall. All right, so let's do that. Mr. Philip X. Wallen.
He's here for Gansey, a show cause that's on 429.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, long time no see.
Yes.
Really, good morning.
Who else said good morning?
Linda Perkins Moore.
Everybody said good morning.
Everybody said good morning.
Mr. Philip
All right,
X.
well, good morning, one and all. Judge, I'm here to do mea culpas. Apparently I missed something. A pretrial maybe?
Uh-oh.
Or even worse, a trial date?
All right.
On a Mr. James Gansey. And Judge, I want to apologize. I was specially assigned on that. And I never got, well,
Less is
picked it up
less is
as one
more,
of-
Mr. Polly. Less is more, Mr. Polly.
Yeah,
Thank you. I missed the date. I don't know if I got it as a, oh, stop.
That's it. That's it. Save the words
right.
for some other client that really, really needs those words.
Deal.
What's his name?
Gansey.
Gansey?
Ganzie.
Ganzie.
Correct. First name James.
Oh, Miss Nash is looking for it.
Right.
All right. Go through some of Mr. Let's go through some of Mr. Gray's cases.
Hi, Steve.
do it on our way. All right, so we gotta get these. What's going on? What are we gonna do? We were waiting on the city attorney or something. We got two, I asked could you zoom in, we got two officers, Officer Hampton, one of the lawyers is here on a Littleton case. He had supposed to have taken this to blocking traffic at the pre-hearing and then offer that, but it didn't go through the system. Now he's here and his attorney attests to the fact that he was standing right next to him when he took the blocking traffic offer. Now it's up in our court, and you only have a limited access. So yeah, he did it with the officers. So the officers are giving better deals than the word is that you just got to go to the pre-hearing before you come to 434, because you're not going to get the bet. You're going to get a worse deal. So that's one. All right. Well, he made some payments. You did make some payments on some of these tickets, didn't you, Mr. Gray? All right. Let's go through the tickets. Ticket number SP 100523001.
We on the record, Your Honor?
Yeah, we're on the record with Mr. Jamie Devon Gray. We're going to dismiss that ticket. No officer.
I'm sorry, can you restate that ticket number?
SP 100523001. We're going to dismiss that ticket, no officer. SP, I'm going to set your tickets aside, Officer Campbell. The city attorney's about to zoom in now, and I'll let you speak with him about that. Let's move on to $13,465,8641. We're going to dismiss that ticket. No officer. 13-510-577-1 will dismiss no officer. Sixteen 3-3-2-2-3-1-1 will dismiss no officer. Sixteen 3-3-2-2-3-1-2 dismiss no officer.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, morning. We're going to dismiss SX 109-50661. No officer. We'll put you in a breakout room. We're on a record with Jamie Gray. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Officer Campbell.
Okay.
What happened to Officer Campbell? I guess we're not gonna put you in a breakout room with him. For SP 10052-302 will dismiss no officer. I guess Mr. Campbell has couldn't wait any longer. Mr. Goss?
Yes, Your Honor.
He indicated that he didn't, I think he indicated that he didn't have a recollection, but I told him that he needs to wait and let you know that you'd like to speak with him. And apparently either his device was timed out or lost the signal, or he couldn't wait.
Okay. Can we give him 5 minutes? If you don't zoom back in 5 minutes, I would move for dismissal.
Let's go with ticket number, this is Eric Campbell's here. That's good. SP 100523303 will dismiss. No officer. Waive warrant fee. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Officer Hampton. He has, Corporal Hampton, he has a ticket. That's the ticket that was, the counselor indicated that he had a, was in the pre-hearing and got a blocking traffic, but apparently it never did go through.
Okay, I would figure that out.
Ticket number 144771991. It's gonna be dismissed. No officer. Let's fill X Walling again. All right, so it appears that once we get an understanding on the 3 tickets,
There's 3, Judge?
no, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to Ms. Perkins Moore and her client, Mr. Gray.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Walling.
Good morning, Don.
Your Honor, are you on the record?
Yes, go ahead.
I spoke to Corporal Hampton, and we're going to honor the agreement that happened in the pre-hearing for blockading traffic.
All right.
Good morning, Mr. Prosecutor.
Good morning, Ms. Perkins Moore. Good morning, Ms. Williams Law. Good morning, Ms. Nash.
Good morning.
13-510-5771. Dismiss, no officer. All right. We're gonna All right, we're gonna just call these, the officer for, Mr. Gray. He, appeared and he indicated to the court, correct me if I'm wrong, Ms. Perkins Moore, that he wasn't prepared to proceed with the trial. And I'm gonna just deem that as he doesn't have any recollection. I told him the tickets were fairly new, May 26, 2021. And I told him that I would give him an opportunity to speak with you, Mr. Goss, but for some reason or other, he did not stay. So we're gonna dismiss those cases with and I wrote on the file that he did appear. He did put his name on the record. Didn't he, Mr. Perkins Moore?
Yes, he did, Your Honor, and he did indicate that he had no recollection.
And well, to be totally correct, I think he indicated that he wasn't able to
Proceed.
Yeah, so I'm gonna deem that as no recollection. We'll dismiss those cases and really would dismiss all the cases that were up for trial today. I've waived all the warrant fees in the cases, but you're still gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees. And I still need a pay by date for you to clear up these old civil infractions, sir. So you've made some payments, but you still owe some more money. When can we expect you to clear up this money that you owe to court? Mr. Gray?
Oh, I don't know how much I owe.
Well, it's gonna be in the neighborhood of, $1,000 or so. I don't know, you're gonna have to find an updated total, but once we get all this stuff inputted, so give me a date.
How long can I get it? At least 2-3 months?
Are you working?
No, I'm disabled, sir.
Okay, all right, let's put the pay by, let's have you back on May the 16th.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
For the officer who came and I don't know what happened to him, instead of putting no recollection, can you just put the city dismissal just in case he wants to refile? I don't want the no recollection to preclude him from to be able to refile if he chooses to.
Well, what is the difference? Unable to proceed and no recollection. He's not. I mean, he said he's unable to proceed.
But I don't know why. So I don't want to preclude him from not being able to refile. Since I didn't get a chance to speak to him, I don't want to just take that
I
option.
understand that, but that's something that, he should have stayed. We let him know. I let him know that I was calling.
Right, Your Honor. And I'm just saying the city is moving for dismissal, and it's not for the reason of no recollection, Your Honor. I'll make a motion to move for dismissal of this matter for no officer.
We're fighting little fights here, Counselor.
Your Honor, I have to represent my client, and that's the city. So I understand what you're saying.
What do you have to say about that, Ms. Moore?
Yeah, I leave it to the court's discretion.
All right, he wants to be able to see if he can call the city and see if he's gonna refile this case. All right, I'll what are you gonna say? What do you want to do? You want to say that you're let me get this straight. The officer comes in. The officer tells me that he's not able to proceed with the trial. This is what he told me. And now you want to dismiss the case and not put in no recollection because you want to be able to see if you can bring these tickets back?
The officer did not say no recollection. He said he was not able to proceed at this time. So it could be a number of reasons why, and I don't know the reason why. I just don't want to preclude him.
I'll put unable to proceed at this time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And then I'll dismiss it with prejudice.
Your Honor, what's the reason for with prejudice? We normally dismiss
Because
cases.
he came in and he said he wasn't able to proceed. So why are we bringing this young man back forth without with really? I granted your motion, counselor. All right. Let's go with Mr. Littleton. Counselor Hajaji.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did I get the pronunciation of your name right?
You did. Very few can.
Well, I mess up enough of them, so I'm not going to take any praise for that. But let's get the case. Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Rashad, Littleton, Schaefer. Case number SP 129-65971. Appearance for the record, please.
Rami Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of Littleton Schaefer.
Okay. Corporal Hampton, can you put your appearance on the record?
Corporal R. Hampton, badge 4807, Great Department.
12th precinct.
12th precinct.
All right. Apparently they've worked this out again to a blocking traffic. The counselor indicated that he was in a pre-hearing with his client and observed his client agreed to a blocking traffic at that time. I don't know what happened, and I have no reason to doubt that counselor is not going to come in here and make a representation on a civil infraction that's in any way not accurate. However, they've already discussed this with the city attorney, and because in the file here it has speeding, not limited access, but speeding 40 to 35. Given the opportunity to talk with the city attorney, and the offer now is amended again to blocking traffic. For your client, well, first and foremost, where is your client, Mr. Hagazi?
Your Honor, I'm appearing on his behalf and waiving his presence.
Okay, I'll grant your motion to waive his presence. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the stop and the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm going to fine him $175. When can your client pay that?
Your Honor, we just ask for 2 weeks to pay if that's okay.
All right, I'm going to give him until March 29th, 2022. Tell your client if he hasn't paid that by that date or before that date, I need to see him on March 29th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So if he has, then he's free, he doesn't have to show back up.
Thank you. I understand.
Thank you for your patience, counselor. Sorry for the delay.
No problem. Thank you. Have a good day.
Ms. Lewis. All right, let's get Mr. Walling. Mr. Walling, this is an EWAP ticket here.
Yes, sir, it is.
All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus James Aaron Gansey. Case number U5, strike that, U45275918. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, P35229. The court appointed me on this matter.
What do you need, Counselor? Another day?
Well, yeah, we got several ways to do this, Judge. We could turn that show cause into a trial date.
Trial date, May the 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Hold on, Judge, let me. So that's no on the April date.
Is that a trial date on April?
That was the show cause date.
That was a show cause.
What date do you need, Counselor? What do you?
How about the April 29th? If the people can be ready, that's a good day for me, just not for a show cause, but for a trial date.
April 29th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate your courtesies. See you, Linda. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
All right, let's go with Miss Lewis. Miss Lewis, why are you here so late, ma'am?
Good morning. I was here at 10, but I wasn't sure what courtroom I was supposed to be in because it has someone named Lamont Williams, and it says courtroom 210 at 10 a.m.
Larry Williams. You might be
It
in
has
the wrong-
Lamont on the ticket that I have.
Oh, I don't know who that is. You may be in the
Me
wrong-
either.
Your Honor, that's the police officers.
Oh, that's the police officer. Okay.
That's the officers who do the informal hearings.
Oh, it
To-
is. So you're in the wrong courtroom, ma'am.
Am I? Right. They don't even have a number for me to be in the right courtroom. So I'm on my other phone trying to get the people on the phone to see where I'm supposed to be because they didn't even give me a Zoom number.
All right, this is 1 to 5 over, Counselor. 1 to 5, sorry, 11 to 15 over the speed limit. What do you want to do for this one, Counselor?
That's for us, Your Honor.
The Goss.
Okay.
Does she have a valid driver's license?
You got a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I do.
Runner license, please. If the license valid, what do you want to do with this, Counselor?
Where was she speeding at? Was it a main street or
Crash it.
blockading? If she has a valid driver's license.
All right. City of Detroit versus Michelle Lewis. Case number SP 126-38251. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins, more appearing on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Lachelle Lewis.
She has a valid driver's license with absolutely nothing, a spotless driver's license, I should say. All right, ma'am, you want to take the deal, blocking traffic, $175 fine?
Yes, sir.
All right, when can you make the payment? Ms. Perkins, Moore, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as a basis for the responsible plea and the stop?
Yes, you will, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find you admitted count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay, ma'am? Pay by?
I'm not sure, Your Honor, because I have MS and I'm applying for disability, so I'm not working right now. But I could I do have a income tax refund coming soon. I'm not sure which day it's
You
coming
heard
on.
what Judge Mathis said about the income tax refund, didn't you?
Yes.
You heard what he said about that, right?
I heard what he said.
So I don't know if we should go off of that. Now,
that's all I have.
You gonna make him a liar, ma'am?
No, sir.
Well, you should say, yeah, I'm gonna make him a liar, because I'm gonna use my income tax to pay this one.
Well, yeah, because he said we don't pay. So yeah, I'm gonna pay.
Listen, come back in 30 days, April the 14th.
April 14th.
Yeah, try to have it paid by then. Come back and make sure we get this closed out, because I don't want you to,
Oh, okay. So I get the money and then pay it. Do I still come back after I pay it?
well, I would come back and make sure it's closed out properly.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, ma'am. Have a great day.
You
Your Honor,
too.
what's the case number on that one, please?
That's SP 12638-251. Lashell, Lashell Lewis. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Are you a registered voter, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right. Well, have a great day. I'll see you back April the 14th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. All right.
You as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. That seems like, Mr. Gray, what are you waiting on? You just watching the show now?
No, you told me. No, you told me to get back to me.
Oh, on a date?
We just kind of went off, Mr. Gray.
Well, he needs a date? On payment?
It was
Oh,
something
yeah,
about
you gotta pay that, you gotta pay those fees that you've been having. You made some payments on them. I see that. When are you gonna make the payments?
I guess I'm trying to get a total, see how much I have to pay.
We can't give you a total right now. There's too many cases. I told you, just look at it in the thousands, like $1,000 plus.
So I was gonna have to pay that and reinstatement fees.
That's gonna probably include everything, reinstatement fees, but don't take my word for it. Just, it's gonna be in the area of $1,000 plus. When can you come up with it?
I don't know.
What did I tell you? Come back on May the 16th, 2022. See where you are, make some payments, and that's too much. You should be able to put a big dent in it or have it paid off by then. Because I know you're gonna get some, you spent your whatchamacallit money already, didn't you?
No, I don't receive taxes.
You can still file you receive some money, I'm sure, with, I don't know, I'm not getting into that. You can still get some government, some money. You better file your taxes.
So I got to just come down there and they gonna tell me everything?
No, you go online, and once we get it put in the system, I told you that already. Once we get all of it in the system, you can go online, type your name in 36districtcourt.org, go to look up cases, and then type your name in, and you'll see the dollar amounts there.
Okay.
May the 16th, 2022, review at 8:25. I need to see you on that morning, so write that date down, please.
Okay, May 16th.
2022 at 8:25 a.m. Come on back on that date. We'll see where you're at.
Okay, thank you, Judge
You gotta
Perkins.
pay because you paid already some money.
Don't forget your voice.
All right.
All right.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
You too.